welcome to my channel. This month my bullet journal theme is Cozy Autumn. The printable kit with which I will create it is available on my Patreon page and is composed of a sticker sheet, a cover page and 4 sheets full of decorative and functional elements. I created this collection thinking about the first cold days of fall, but to be honest, here in Italy the weather is not that cold yet. The days are still warm and the sun is out. But I am sure that cold days will come soon. That kind of days where you only want to stay under the blankets with a warm latte and candles all around. But let's start preparing my monthly view. First of all, I glue my cover page, which represents a picnic in the middle of the dry leaves, reading magic books. After that, I switched to my calendar view. This time I used a Tombow to draw it. October is always full of events for me. I have a lot of birthdays and I also celebrate the anniversary with my boyfriend. This year we will celebrate 11 years together. Last year we couldn't do anything due to the lockdown. Who knows if this year we will be able to do something. I don't want to make plans and we will decide at the last minute whether to organize something. Then there's also Halloween, which, even if it's not very celebrated in Italy, creates a magical atmosphere, at least in my mind. I love this festivity so much. Do you like it too? After drawing the calendar, I created the header with the scrapbooking papers and my stickers. Do you like candles? Personally, I love them, especially in autumn and winter. In the summer, I don't use them much, sometimes outdoors, but only to create a welcoming atmosphere in the garden. In the cold season, on the other hand, I love scented candles. I made a purchase a few days ago from a girl who creates soy candles at home. I can't wait to receive my order and use them in my studio. I chose warm and cozy scents. One of them smells like coffee and donuts. My god, it must be delicious. Anyway, this month I decided that I will do a rebranding of my small business. I haven't updated my shop on Etsy in years, and I no longer reflect in the way it looks. I want to create new sticker sheets, revise the graphics and the logo, and create more accurate photos for the insertions. I will have a lot of work to do, but I can't wait to create something in which I see myself more. For this reason, I decided of taking a month's break from Patreon. In fact, even if I'm a bit sad about it, there won't be a kit for November. This means that if you are my patrons, you will not be charged on October the 1st. Instead, if you want to join my community now, Patreon will charge you anyway, because you will still get access to all the previous posts and kits. However, I created a post where I explain everything in detail. You can find the link in the description box below. Well, my monthly setup is complete, so we can move to my weekly view. For this page, I was inspired by a spread by the super talented Bujo. I create a background with scrapbooking paper, stickers and washi tapes, and then I add some pieces of plain paper that will be my days. next page is dedicated to the gratitude log, so I only create a small decoration with washi tapes on the bottom corner. And here we are, everything is ready to welcome the coziest month of all year. I hope you like the kit and my spreads. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you want, subscribe to my channel. If you like this journal kit, I also wait for you in my Patreon community, where you will also find all the old kits. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram account. I just hit the 10,000 milestone and I'm super happy. Well, I think that's all. Have a cozy and warm October. See you very soon. Bye!